The purpose of paint shop is to maintain the paint scheme. So what that means is whenever we receive aircraft here at the Blue Angels, they already come painted blue and gold, but we want to maintain and upkeep that paint scheme. So whenever they fly, if they get a scratch or a nick or a chip, or during certain aircraft inspections, we just go back and make touch-ups on the paint.
So over here at the Blue Angels, the paint shop is important because we maintain the iconic paint scheme of the Blue Angels, which is blue and gold. In air shows, when people see our jets, the first thing they notice is the paint scheme. Our paint scheme is a direct reflection of the pride and professionalism of what our team represents.
Maintaining the paint scheme is important because our aircraft are recognized worldwide. So whenever people see a blue and gold jet, they know that it's a Blue Angel aircraft, and we take a lot of pride in that here in the paint shop.